Before this program, I've always kind of enjoyed school, always, which is kind of weird for a teenager to say. School became much more enjoyable because it gave me something to look forward to every day.
I'm a senior at Wallacey High School. This is my favorite class. I'm in it most of the day. And I don't know, I can't imagine coming to school without being in this class.
I've been an educator for 18 years. So far this year, in my first year as the Pathways Director, I've learned so much, and it's really been transformational in my journey in education. CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. Students in the CTE programs experience high success rates because they're highly engaged, and they really enjoy their program where they know that they're going to be working on projects, and the outcomes that they get from the projects are very exciting.
The Welding Technologies classes offer kids who might not really want a traditional college education the opportunity to learn skills that can take them out into the working world. These kids have all excelled. If you get this skill and ability, as I've told several students, you will always be able to get a job.
Power Up is a combination of electronics, computer programming. We do everything from build and fly drones, build circuits, to computer programming. Students can really excel when they're in here, being able to work with their hands, doing things that they feel passionate about, and it's really cool when it kind of clicks with those students. It makes it a lot of fun.
I'm in cosmetology. I come to Fairfield now. I love the experience I've gotten with this. The teachers here, they help push me in the right direction. I plan on to go into makeup. That's what I'm really passionate about.
We want them to be successful. We want them to be prepared to be able to come into high school and leave high school with a license to practice their trade. It's our goal to make sure that they are work ready and employable.
Here at Pathways, we're about providing opportunities for kids, giving them the advantages that they might not have if they didn't take these classes, and providing them with a potential for their future.
I have students who have a hard time with the basic ones like math, science. They have blossom when they get in here. It is a great experience and shows the skills they've learned.
Students grow in many different ways. They learn a lot of career readiness skills that any employer is going to desire, whether that be leadership skills, public speaking skills, or critical decision making.
Recent studies have shown that students that participate in CTE programming graduate at a higher rate than those students that do not participate in it. We at Pathways take immense pride in this stat, and we hope to continually improve it. We are confident that our students within the Pathway programs, upon completion, have a great story to tell. We will continue to tell our story to as many people as possible, especially the stakeholders within the communities that we serve.